How to apply for a home equity loan with Discover Bank on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you looking to tap into your home's equity? Well, here is how to apply for a Discover home equity loan on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here, from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from the top menu, you simply have to select home loans and then select home equity loan. And there you can just click apply now and enter details about your home, loan amount and personal financial information. And with that, you need to review the estimate interest rate, monthly payment and loan terms before submitting. And once you're done with that, you need to provide any required documents such as proof of income or home appraisal information. And once submitted, you Discover will review your application and notify you of approval or next step. And that's it. That's how you can apply for a home equity loan with Discover Bank on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.